I'm still looking at chemistry. In chemistry, we are going to be looking at properties of matter. Properties of matter. The first thing that you need to know, what really is matter. I think when we were growing up, they said matter is anything that has weight and can occupy space. That's true. Yeah, I said matter is anything that has mass. Mass, anything that has weight has mass. So we say anything that has mass, or some will say anything that has weight. It's still the same thing. Anything that has mass and can occupy space, whether it is small space or not, matter is matter. Now, we are going to be looking at the two properties of matter. We have the physical properties and the chemical properties. The chemical properties are those chemical reactions that matter undergoes. That's what we mean by chemical properties. While the physical properties are those things, the physical things we see about matter, like color. All these are physical properties. Size, they are physical properties. That's what we mean by what? Physical properties. Then, from here, we are not going to be looking at changes. Matter undergoes different changes. Two types of changes per se. They undergo the physical change or the chemical change. When we say physical change, a physical change is that change that matter undergoes. No new substance is formed, but when they undergo that change, it is easily reversed. Example, look at it. Melting of ice. When ice melts, it will melt to water. This water, you can easily get it back to ice again. Just put it in freezer, you get back your ice. Are you getting it now? Or when you heat your water to become steam, that's what we call gas now. Allow it to cool down, it will become like your normal water again. That is what we mean by what? Physical change. No new substance is formed and it is easily reversed. Now, but for chemical change, a new substance is formed and you will never be able to reverse it. Once it has undergone the change, it is not easily recovered. That is what we mean by what? A chemical change. Now let's look at the example, the burning of firewood. If you burn your wood, after you burn your wood, a new substance is formed, that's the charcoal. Can you recover that wood again? No, it's not possible. That's what we mean by what? A chemical change. Another one again, the decay of food. Decay of food, once your food decay, you cannot get back the original food again. It has gone bad, it has gone bad. That is what, these are chemical change. Now, another example of physical change that you need to know, magnetization and demagnetization of iron. There are some iron, they can magnet, but that same magnetic property in that iron, you can remove it. You can also put back the magnetic property again. That is, no new substance is formed, but it is easily reversed. Now, if somebody should ask you to differentiate between chemical change and physical change, one, a physical change is easily reversed. A chemical change is not easily reversed. That's one. Two, in a physical change, no new substance is formed, but in a chemical change, a new substance is formed. In a physical change, there is no great amount of heat needed, but first, for chemical change, great amount of heat is required. Then, for a physical change, even when they undergo the change, there is no change in the mass, that's in the weight. For example, if you can try this, take the weight of ice, measure it down, allow it to melt. You will discover that the weight that you see here is still the same thing here. So there is no change even after, there's no change in the weight or in the mass even after they undergo the change. But here, the wood can be heavy. Once it turns charcoal, it will become even smaller in their weight. So there is a change in the mass after the change has taken place. This is what we mean by the properties of matter. Please, if you are here to subscribe to this channel, please kindly subscribe, and also do not forget to strike that like button. Give us a like. Thank you, and also drop a comment. If you have any topic at all, just drop it there. We'll always treat it for you. Thank you, and stay blessed.